Hello again, everyone. Today we have a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Fuggler. Got this from AliExpress. Very often they have stickers like that on there. And it's nice that this has a little plastic bag around it. The reason why is the eyes very often are sticking out of the box. And if there's another box in front of it, the eyes get scratched up from the paper. So, granted, the eyes are not sticking out of the box. Maybe they got scratched up from being inside the box. Anyhow, we got the branding of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Nickelodeon as well, 4 years and up, Spin Master is the brand, pizza box kind of graphics, and there you go as well. And down here we have some legalese and copyright of 2024, I guess that's when this collection came out. Alright, where's the tape marks? Wait a second. Oh, they're down here. Usually you open it up on that side, but in this case, we got this bottom opening thing here. What's going on? All it's crushed up, I guess. No, that's a weird box, so sadly that tab is problematic. I definitely prefer the side opening box. They're just easier to open. This one's kind of a pain. And this is actually a lot smaller than I thought it would be. Yeah, usually these things are around 22 centimeters in height, but yeah, there is variation. And let's see, what the ears, well, actually it is still 22 centimeters in height, but for some reason the body just looks small, but we'll compare it to some other things in the future. So we have a super soft fabric here, of course, very low pile. And this is Mikey, that's what the M is for. Mikey wears the orange, I guess. And he's got the funky top row of teeth with this random, like, somewhat molar-esque tooth here. Whereas all the others are like incisors and bicuspids or whatever. The mouth is sticking downwards, and it's not really deep. It would have been neat if it went deeper. You can mess around with the pile and stuff like that, but yeah. And then we have a medium height plush fur here, and it's a very lime green, that's for sure. It's not here, now you have a normal dark green here, and that's the normal lime green of Ninja Turtles. Fuggler branding there, some nunchucks, I guess that's what Mikey uses for weapons. We have a Chinese tag here, and more on the inside, most likely. These seem to all be the same. And then the back you have the English stuff, and it does tell you copyright 2024, so if you buy it used, you'll have a general idea how old it is. So then we have a black plastic nose. This is a common nose amongst these figures. And we have what look like yellow eyes here. So unfortunately the pupils are so big, but now you can see the yellow eyes there, which is nice. And then the green felt there is yeah, a little bit too long, or there's some scratches in the eye there, so that might be the case. It could be some scratches. This is a nice super soft low height fabric as well, and it's nice that it's looks like it's tied off like a bandana. And then we got the button back here, your standard button with the TM molded in there next to the Fuggler, and then the actual stitching is plastic as well. You'll notice here, ooh, this fur is a little bit messed up, so I have to, trim some of these things off. These are just some sewing scissors. Get the excess off. Alright, well, what's nice is the arms are actually quite readily apparent. They're not just little blobs. And they even managed to stitch on this little matching orange down here. Really nice stitching here, closing all this stuff up, which is neat. And then, yeah, the shell actually has 2 layers to it, and then they stitched it on. So, seems to be a well-designed, very durable product. You could actually give this to a kid, and they can gnaw on it, or give it to a dog, and it probably will survive a lot of abuse. But for me, I just like the funkiness of it. look at this thing. Is Mikey smiling or laughing, or I don't know. It's just a weird expression, just almost straight in a U shape here. I'm not sure if I've ever seen a mouth like that on a Fuggler yet. I'm pretty new to collecting these things, so yeah, more excess. Alright, be careful about inhaling that stuff. So that is one thing. Maybe you don't want to give the super shaggy Fugglers to kids, because all this plastic is going to end up in their lungs. Same with the dog, right? Or a cat. I don't know if a cat would attack this, but a dog would have a field day with this thing. Okay, well, that's it for today. Actually, we'll compare, because it is so small. Here's a gap-tooth Magoo, and yeah, this is more the size I'm accustomed to. So it is a little bit shorter than usual. We'll have to see when I get some other Ninja Turtles how Mikey compares. Okay, that'll do for today. So Fuggler is really cool, not particularly expensive, and seems like they're built to last, hopefully. Alright, we'll see you in the next review. Bye.